Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video what I'm gonna do is something that I usually do on my cars. Probably if you already follow me and or usually watch my videos, you know there is one thing that I always like to do, which is paint the brake calipers. My Alfa already have the brake calipers painted. They are painted in grey, but there is one color that I always wanted to have on these brake calipers, which is the red candy. So this can or this paint, it's special made to brake calipers, and it's from a Portuguese brand called Gold AUDI. I'm not being sponsored by Gold AUDI, but actually Gold AUDI is a Portuguese paint specialist, and the reason that I'm showing the brand, it's because I already use it for a few times and I completely trust on this brand. Okay, so Gold AUDI, let's test this red candy. Another thing that I will try to add is this Alfa Romeo sticker. I'm not sure if these stickers will fit on my brake calipers because my brake calipers are the regular ones, not the bigger ones, but at least I'll try because it's something that I like. After the paint I will apply this multi clear coat, but if you want, or imagine that you try the Gold AUDI paint, they have a really good 2K clear coat. Okay, I decided to buy this one because I always use this one, so I will keep it. If you already saw me doing this in other cars, probably you will realize that I usually have a drill. I have a wire wheel to clean. In this case I don't have basically any tools right here at the moment because I'm moving everything to my mother's house, to my mother's garage, and basically I don't have nothing. I just bought a few really basic things. The only things I have is tape, alcohol 2 degrees, and some sandpaper if I need, of course. These ones are already painted, okay, but if you try to paint for the first time without, in your brake calipers don't have any paint, what you should do is to use a wire wheel to give a really good first clean. Yes, in my case I already have the brake calipers painted in grey. I just want to change the color, so should not be a big deal. But let's see guys, I don't even have a car jack right here. I will have to use the Alfa car jack, okay? This is something that I want to do for a long time, so let's go guys. So guys, I was looking if I can add these stickers, but nah, this is way too big. I don't have a surface. Yeah, pain in the ass. Probably I'll have to buy a smaller one or something, I don't know. Have no idea. Yeah, cannot. I will just paint brake calipers, okay? Let's see, let's go. So guys, as I mentioned, I don't have many tools. I will just have this brush, okay? I'll give it a clean and then degrease. So guys, I already masked the things that I want to paint, okay? It's no big deal if I paint a little bit the brake pads because soon I will have to replace for a new one, so it's not a big deal for me. and also the rotors, but I don't want to like make a big mess. But guys, what I really want to do is to paint. Everyone likes paint, I believe. Whoa, what? No way, man. No way. Guys, look at this. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing the true color of this. Guys, this is so cool, man. So cool. Probably the camera is not showing because it's a really sunny day. I'm not sure. Holy. Whoa. I'm in love, guys. I'm in love with this. Guys, wow. Amazing. Amazing. I will let it dry 5 minutes, then apply a second coat. Okay, guys, I already applied 3 coats. I'm just letting dry. Guys, unfortunately, this is not showing the real color, man. Guys, this is really, really beautiful. The color is amazing. Huge coverage. I mean, this is really good, man. I truly recommend. I will let it dry and then apply 2 clear coats. So guys, I already applied the 2 coats of clear coat, and guys, unfortunately, believe me, that the camera is not capturing the true color of this. Imagine this with this wheel arch detailed, brand new rotors, guys. Will be amazing. So guys, of course, after this, I truly recommend you this paint. I'm just showing this brand. I'm not being sponsored, okay? Again, I paid for this paint. I believe it cost me 17 euros and 50 cents, I believe. But guys, it's really cool. It's really good. Nothing to complain. The coverage, it's amazing. After the first coat, the coverage was impressive. And guys, what I'm gonna do right now is to paint the other side. Of course, I will not will be filming because it's exact same process. What I'm gonna do is the exact same. So guys, thanks for watching, and I will leave the Gold Ollie link in the description if you want to take a look. Once again, I'm not being sponsored. I don't have any codes to give you. This is really good paint. Congrats, Gold Ollie, and guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Stay tuned.